Hi, welcome to the Google Apps Migration Workshop. This is Sean from Rubus Solutions. Just want to very quickly go over the steps of the workshop that we'll be covering off, and then introduce the first step. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look very quickly at the domain overview. Then we're going to go into the actual Google Apps registration and the configuration of the apps environment. And then after that, at this point, we haven't migrated anything. Your email still will work as normal. But what we'll do is then take the fourth step of migrating your existing email into the Google Apps environment. And then lastly, we'll go over a review of everything that we've covered and some additional getting started training for Google Apps. So let's take a look at the domain name. If you already have a domain name you want to use for your Google Apps account, that's great. No big deal. We'll go ahead and work with that. The thing I would like to point out is that the steps that we covered during the migration portion of the workshop will impact all of the users in your domain. So if you have coworkers or other users that are associated to your domain, then they will need to go through the migration process as well. Alternatively, if you don't have an existing domain name and you'd like to test or pilot with Google Apps, that's fine too. I would recommend that you go ahead and purchase a domain. Well, not recommend, you actually have to have a domain. So you'd need to purchase a domain name. And one of the things I want to point out in terms of using a test domain is you might want to just register a .info domain. They cost about $1, and they're a little bit cheaper than .com or .org or whatnot. And this can just be like a temporary domain, a throwaway domain, and something that you wouldn't need to use going forward. That will have some impact though when it comes down to migrating any email, and so you won't be dealing with much volume in terms of email, but you will be able to get a sense of what configuration steps need to take place during the migration. So there you have it. There's a quick overview of the Google Apps Migration Workshop, and our first step of the domain name overview is complete. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.